Welcome to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest automobile news and updates. Today, we bring you everything you need to know about the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni van, the return of a true icon in a modern avatar. Legacy of the Omni. The Maruti Omni has been one of the most loved multi-purpose vans in India for decades. Known for its practicality, affordability, and wide usage as a family car, school van, and even an ambulance, it became a household name. After being discontinued due to safety and emission regulations, the Omni is now set for a grand comeback in 2025 with a brand new design and technology. Design and styling. The 2025 Omni van carries forward its iconic boxy silhouette but with a modern twist. Expect a refreshed front fascia with sleek LED headlights, a wider grille, and aerodynamic body lines. Sliding doors, larger windows, and increased cabin height enhance both accessibility and space. Interior and features. Inside, the new Omni offers a functional yet comfortable cabin. Equipped with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, and improved seating ergonomics, Maruti aims to balance utility with comfort. Safety has also been upgraded with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. Engine and performance. The Omni Van 2025 is expected to come with a BS6 Phase 2 compliant petrol engine, along with a CNG option for cost-conscious buyers. Rumors also hint at a possible electric variant in the future, aligning with India's growing EV trend. The focus remains on fuel efficiency and reliability rather than high performance. Price and launch. Maruti Suzuki is likely to position the Omni van in an affordable bracket, targeting small families, businesses, and fleet operators. Launch is expected in mid-2025, with pricing speculated between 5 Indian rupees lakh to 7 Indian rupees lakh, depending on variants. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni van blends nostalgia with modern practicality. With updated safety, design, and features, it has the potential to reclaim its place as India's favorite multi-purpose van. Stay tuned with Bike Update for more automobile news and detailed reviews.